Welcome back. These are the notes for Chapter 5, Section 5 in Algebra 2. This is, I think, Part 6 of these notes, and they are giving you some checkpoint problems. Now, what is somewhat amusing is that it is not possible to do these problems in this small amount of space. But I do want to make sure we understand what's being asked of us. We are supposed to use long division to divide x to the third minus 6x squared plus 9 by x minus 4. I'm going to clear the screen, write down the problem, and we'll do it using long division as they request. So here we are. We have a blank screen. We have this cubic polynomial. We're dividing by a linear polynomial. We've been asked to do it with long division. So x minus 4 divides into 1x to the third, don't really need to write the 1, but it might help, minus 6x squared. Notice there's no linear, there's no plain x term, so I'm going to write plus 0x plus 9. Here we go. We need to divide that by x minus 4. Remember, we're trying to figure out how to get to x cubed by dividing by x. So what times x will make x cubed? To do that, pretty much just plain x squared. Because x squared times x is x cubed. And in fact, the x squared multiplies by the x to make x cubed and by the negative 4 to make negative 4x squared. This whole thing is subtracted. Notice that the x cubes cross off. We have negative 2x squared. And then we'll go ahead and bring down our friend 0x. So then, what times x is negative 2x squared? Or negative 2x squared divided by x is what? The answer is negative 2x, because the negative 2x that I just drew multiplied by the x minus 4 will make the entire business of negative 2x squared plus 8x. Then, that whole thing is subtracted. Notice the negative 2x squareds go away. 0 minus 8, negative 8x plus 9. The 9 fell down from the sky as the constant term from before. Finally, negative 8x gets divided by x to make negative 8. Negative 8 times x is negative 8x. Negative 8 times negative 4, positive 32. This whole thing is subtracted. The negative 8x is cancelled. 9 minus 32 is negative 23. So, the answer to our question is, it makes x squared minus 2x minus 8, that's the quotient, plus negative 23 over x minus 4. This is our answer. It is the first problem in the checkpoint. I think you can see why we needed some blank space. I'll come back to you with the next section for the next problem in the checkpoint.